What is this called?
Sparrow.
What is this called?
Crow.
What is this called?
Pigeon.
What is this called?
Parrot.
What is this called?
Peacock.
What is this called?
Owl.
What is this called?
Eagle.
What is this called?
Flamingo.
What is this called?
Woodpecker.
What is this called?
Hummingbird.
What is this called?
Vulture.
What is this called?
Seagull.
What is this called?
Robin.
What is this called?
Goose.
What is this called?
Turkey.
What is this called?
Canary.
What is this called?
Cockatoo.
What is this called?
Magpie.
What is this called?
Heron.
What is this called?
Cuckoo.
What is this called?
Blue jay. Thank you.